Imaging Products Manufacturing (IPM) is the largest independent dry toner manufacturing plant in Europe, with a new facility that went on stream in March 2012 and another line that started up in August 2013. IPM's capacity stands at 240 metric tons of toner per month. IPM sells to customers worldwide, providing copier and printer toners to those sensitive accounts focused on product quality, consistent performance and competitive pricing. IPM is a division of KTKS Corporation, a 45-year-old chemical company that produces chemical products, including mineral fillers, coating pigments and ground calcium carbonate, brick, hydrated lime and other construction and road building materials. IPM's location is ideal to serve accounts in continental Europe as well as its Asian and Middle Eastern customers. That, of course, is the history of Istanbul and its unique situation at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. Indeed, since biblical times, the city, originally named Constantinople, hosted merchants travelling the Silk Road, bringing products overland from China, India and other Asian countries to markets in Europe and the UK. It's also a major seaport linking the Mediterranean and Black Seas, and only a short ferry ride to southeastern Europe. KTKS has more than 45 years of manufacturing and development experience with fine particle technology. That know-how gave us the ability to choose the best combination of machinery and raw materials, plus the confidence to enter the toner manufacturing industry. We also profited from the extensive experience KTKS has in grinding, separation and classification of ultrafine particles to achieve the controlled particle size and distribution required for the best toner powders. When IPM started up operations in Istanbul, he was unfamiliar with the toner industry. True, IPM scientists and engineers were fully competent and knowledgeable on the subject of fine powder grinding, classifying, blending and handling, but toner technology was something they had to learn from the ground up. They started at square one with zero output. Today, they are one of the leading toner producers in our territory. Workforce now numbers 110 employees occupying 8,000 square meters of production and filling floor space, 20,000 square meters of warehouse space and 2,000 square meters of office space. About 95% of our products are shipped to customer accounts outside of Turkey. Indeed, IPM sells to customers in more than 100 countries around the world, with the European Union as our main market region. The quality of toner has a dramatic impact on print performance. Dry toner is one of the most complex products in the plastics industry, as it requires extreme homogeneity in the melt mixing and blending process. Every pigment and additive particle must be uniformly dispersed throughout the mix. Then, when the extruded product is cooled, solidified, granulated and jet milled from roughly 7 mm down to 7 microns, 1,000 times smaller than its original size, every particle will have the same composition as its neighbour. IPM plant was engineered to include the latest compounding, grinding, classifying and pack filling equipment and went on stream with copier and laser printer toners. Toner manufacturing technology used in the plant is independent, not bought or transferred from other manufacturers. Conventionally, toner formula planning is determined by the OEM toner, but in the case of IPM toner, we started with a completely new design. As IPM R&D team, we never tried to duplicate or copy the OEM toner or any of competitors' toner. What we are doing is making toner from the zero for the machine which employs the target toner. Of course, this is the hardest way of R&D. But in our idea, only with that way you could learn much better and could say our main difference from the others is that. The solution, IPM toner.